Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on camera. Click if you want to fix this problem, so force stop camera app. After force stop camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list and click on camera app. Click on storage and cache and clear cache camera app. After clear cache camera app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix video recording not working on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.